Hey guys, Unkit with a new review. All right, let's go ahead and use the kit. So I'm going to remove these screws from this pressure washer. I'm going to be using a Phillips number 2. I'm going to put this to the side now. And here's the ratcheting. Okay. Yep. And there's the screw. So I really like that magnetic tip. That makes it so much easier. You know, and the ratcheting is also very nice. Again, forward and reverse. Come on, let go. There we go. All right, so yeah, that's simple. And to install it, we just hit the lever here, turn it. Yeah, you just got to be careful when you have so much torque. You don't want to over torque the screws and either break the plastic or break the screw. Yeah, so really nice. I really like that. I think it's easier than actually turning a screwdriver. All right, I guess that's it. Hope that helps. Till next time.